Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's session with a look at building autonomous agents for local government. Today's presentation is titled Building Autonomous Agents for Local Government, and our subtitle is A Hands-on Live Session on Creating AI-Powered Citizen Engagement Solutions. Over the next few moments, I'll give you a quick overview of what we'll cover. Everything from the fundamentals of AI in local government to practical steps for creating engaging citizen solutions. So, let's get started and explore how we can harness AI to improve community engagement. Welcome everyone to Build with the Nerds live session. Today, we're focusing on building autonomous agents for local government. Whether you're a developer, an IT professional, or just curious about this topic, don't worry. This session will equip you with practical skills and insights that you can apply immediately. Get ready to follow along as we actually construct an autonomous agent designed specifically for local government needs. This isn't just theory. We're going to do it step by step, so you'll see how everything comes together in real time. This session is part of our larger series called Build with the Nerds, where we dive hands-on into creating real-world solutions. Unlike previous sessions that focused more on concepts and ideas, today's focus is on building something tangible. And a big welcome to everyone joining us from all around the world. We're excited to have a diverse group of participants, and I look forward to exploring these innovative solutions together. Welcome to the session. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to your hosts, Brian Knight and Andrew Perez. As we focus on building autonomous agents for local government, these two bring a wealth of expertise and passion to the table. Andrew Perez is dedicated to empowering developers with cutting-edge tools and resources. His goal is to help you leverage the latest technology to create innovative solutions. Brian Knight, on the other hand, specializes in automation and AI integration. With years of experience, he brings a deep understanding of how to streamline processes and enhance capabilities through automation. Together, they're here to help you build, learn, and succeed. We want this to be an engaging and interactive session, so throughout, we encourage you to participate. Be sure to enter our raffle for a chance to win a free on-demand learning subscription. Just submit your best questions. This session is designed to be interactive, so ask questions live and engage with us as we go along. Now, let's meet your hosts. Brian Knight is a principal architect at Pragmatic Works, and he's an expert in automation and AI integration. Andrew Perez is a senior developer advocate, passionate about equipping developers with the latest tools. They're here to guide you through this exciting journey into autonomous agents for local government. Today, we're focusing on creating a chatbot version that aims to provide a seamless citizen experience. The idea is to demonstrate how artificial intelligence can really enhance local government operations and improve citizen engagement. Throughout this session, we'll explore multiple deployment options, including chatbot interfaces, Microsoft Teams, email, text messaging, and IVR phone systems to ensure accessibility and convenience for everyone. We'll look at two main types of agents. First, an action-based agent that can handle scheduling appointments and booking inspections for new houses, making those processes more efficient and less burdensome. Second, an informational agent that can answer citizen questions about government services, planning, zoning, events, and permitting, providing instant support and information whenever needed. Our main goal today is to build two autonomous agents specifically tailored for Clay County, Florida. The overarching objective is to develop these intelligent systems that can streamline interactions, improve service delivery, and ultimately, create a better experience for our community. Now, let's walk through how you can access Copilot Studio and the licensing details you need to know. We'll cover this during the session to ensure you have a clear understanding. Our flexible licensing model is designed to support your growth as your autonomous agents handle more interactions. This means you won't be limited by a fixed number of users. Instead, the licensing adapts to your needs. When deploying your agents in a production environment, licensing is based on message packs rather than counting individual users. This approach makes it more scalable and cost-effective, especially for government applications where usage can vary significantly. For those just starting out, you can begin with the free developer plan. This gives you full access to build, test, and refine your agents without any initial costs. And speaking of building those agents, we use Copilot Studio, a powerful, intuitive platform designed specifically for creating autonomous bots. It streamlines the development process and helps you bring your ideas to life efficiently. So, throughout this session, we'll ensure you understand how to access the platform, navigate the licensing options, and leverage the tools available to build effective autonomous agents for local government. Now, let's take a look at the resources available for building your own bot. During this session, we'll share access links that you can use for easy download of all the materials. I encourage you to experiment with these files and customize your own local government bot. This hands-on approach really helps solidify your understanding. Whether you're following along live or watching later, these resources are designed to support your learning journey. They include step-by-step guides, sample configurations, and best practices for developing autonomous agents, which are crucial for making your bot effective and reliable. To help you build along more smoothly, we also provide downloadable crib notes and detailed instructions. These will serve as handy references so you can follow the process confidently. Overall, these tools are here to empower you to create solutions tailored to your local government needs, making the process approachable and practical. All right, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into getting started with Copilot Studio. I'll walk you through each step live, showing you how to set up your workspace and prepare for building your autonomous agent. This foundation is crucial because it sets the stage for a smooth and efficient development experience. First, you'll want to prepare your workspace by creating a new autonomous agent project. Here, you'll choose the appropriate templates and settings that match your project's needs. This step helps streamline the setup process and ensures you're starting with the right tools. Next, you'll select your developer environment. This is where you'll access trial features and sample prompts, which are incredibly helpful for testing and learning as you go. Think of it as your playground for experimentation and refinement. Finally, you'll navigate to the Copilot Studio portal and log in with your developer credentials. This is your gateway to everything you need to start building and customizing your agents effectively. Remember, these initial steps might seem straightforward, but they're essential for establishing a strong foundation. When done right, they make the entire development process much more manageable and enjoyable. Now, let's look at how to define and describe your autonomous agent. This is a crucial step because it shapes how your agent will behave and interact with users. We'll demonstrate how to input these descriptions into Copilot Studio, which allows us to fine-tune the agent's responses for maximum effectiveness. One of the most important things to remember is the importance of clear descriptions. When we're precise and specific, the AI can better understand the context, which results in more relevant and helpful responses. Next, let's talk about what the agent can do. In this case, it will answer questions related to government services, planning, zoning, local events, and permitting processes. The goal here is to provide citizens with accurate, timely information, improving accessibility and reducing the workload on call centers. Finally, defining the purpose and scope of your agent is a critical step. We start with existing notes and tailor the chat agent specifically for Clay County's needs. This ensures that the agent is focused, relevant, and valuable to the community it serves.